In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on Notion in a quick and easy way, whether you're creating a personal project or setting up a team collaboration space. This simple method will enhance your Notion pages by allowing you to integrate relevant video content seamlessly. Let's get started immediately. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account. You can do this by heading over to the official Notion website. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the Login button. Enter your account details, and then you'll be directed to your Notion home. This is where all the magic happens, and where we'll begin the process of embedding a YouTube video. Next, you'll want to select the specific page where you'd like to embed your video. This might be a page you've already created or a new one where you're just getting started. Once you've opened that page, we're ready for the next step. Once you're on the intended Notion page, you'll use the command by typing a / followed by the word Embed. Simply type in Embed, and you'll see an option pop up allowing you to add media content. This shortcut is a great feature of Notion, making it easy to enhance pages with external resources without disrupting your workflow. After you've typed Embed, it's time to add the video itself. You'll need the URL of the specific YouTube video you want to include. Head over to YouTube, find your video, and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. It's essential to ensure that you have the correct URL for the video you wish to embed. Once you have it, head back to Notion. Now, with the URL in hand, return to your Notion page. Click on the Embed option, and you'll be prompted to paste the URL. Simply paste the copied YouTube URL into the space provided and confirm your selection. The video will be embedded right there on the page, easy to watch and right at your fingertips whenever you're on that Notion page. And just like that, your YouTube video is now embedded into your Notion page. This integration keeps your workspace flexible and interactive, allowing you to present ideas, share knowledge, or simply keep inspiring content nearby. If you're managing a team, inviting them to view video content within your shared Notion page can lead to more cohesive and informed collaborations. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple steps, you've added significant value to your Notion page by embedding content that might otherwise require navigating away to view. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial was both helpful and straightforward. Be sure to keep exploring Notion's capabilities to discover even more ways to enrich and streamline your digital workspace experience.